Hello students, I am Geeta Chugh. Welcome to my channel Learn English with Geeta ma'am. Today I have come up with a set of questions. Yes, this is a quiz consisted of certain MCQs based on the poem The Road Not Taken. You know we have already done this poem, but revision is a must. So to help you revise all the important things, all the important points of the poem, I have made this set comprising of 10 questions where each question carries 2 points. Somewhere mistakenly I left it written 1 point, but you just avoid it. Fine, you have to calculate your marks out of 20 only. That means each question carries 2 marks. And if you have any doubt about the poem, because बहुत दिन पहले हमने ये poem किया था, then I am going to provide the link. ठीक है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में, इसी पोएम के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मैं वो लिंक देने वाली हूँ जहाँ से आप उस पोएम को एक बार फिर से रीड कर सकते हैं और उसके बाद में आप ये क्विज़ अटैम्प्ट करें. ठीक है, और जो एक ज़रूरी काम आपको करना है वो तो आप सबको पता ही है. आपको ये सारे के सारे क्विज़ के आंसर्स कमेंट बॉक्स में देने हैं और उसके बाद में अपना टोटल स्कोर भी बताना है. अब आप सोचेंगे कि स्कोर कैसे पता चलेगा, तो इसी वीडियो के एंड में इसका एक की सेट भी बनाया है मैंने, जिसमें सारे करेक्ट आंसर्स आपको दिखाई दे जाएंगे एंड यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट योर मार्क्स. फाइन, एंड देन यू हैव टू write those marks in the comment box. Fine, so let's start. Question 1 says, which road had the better claim? The poem is based on the 2 roads. You know it very well, so you have to tell that according to the poet, which road had the better claim. Then question 2, who helped the poet to make his choice? For this question, I have given you 3 options only. Don't get confused. You have to select your answer from these 3 options. I left it written 1 point here, but you have to consider it 2 points. Fine. Now move on to the question 3. What do the roads represent in the poem? The roads represent in the poem. Remember, I am asking about the poem only. ठीक है? Then, what is the meaning of the phrase wanted where? This is the phrase. You must have read it in the poem and you have to tell me the meaning. There again, you have to count it 2 points. Fine? Thereafter, question 5. Where did the 2 roads diverge? Question 6. What was the condition of the road the poet selected to walk over? ठीक है? Remember, don't get confused. Read the question properly first. Fine? You have to tell the condition of the road which the poet selected to walk over. Fine? Move on to the next question. Question 7. Which of the following is paired incorrectly? इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दूँ. यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस यूज़ की हैं, एज यू कैन सी, और फिर पोएम से रिलेटेड एग्जाम्पल्स मैंने यहाँ पे सेट किए हैं. ठीक है, तो ये जो पेयरिंग मैंने की है, यानी जैसे मेटाफर मैंने बताया कि डाइवर्ज रोड्स, यहाँ पे पोएट ने मेटाफर यूज़ किया है. इफ़ आई एम राइट, इफ़ दिस पेयर इज़ राइट, देन इट इज़ ओके. अगर ये गलत है तो आपको बताना है कि इन चारों में से कौन सा पेयर ऐसा है जो मैंने गलत सेट किया है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू टेल दैट अबाउट दैट पेयर. Why did the poet keep the first road for another day? Why did the poet keep the first road for another day? Read the question carefully and then only give your answer. Question 9. यहाँ पे भी mistakenly question 1 लिखा हुआ रह गया है. Just avoid these little mistakes. The road not taken is written by. So simple, but be careful. Where does the traveler find himself? Again, it is of 2 points. Fine. You have to tell me, where does the traveler find himself? Okay, it is the very beginning of the poem and so simple. Just be careful while writing the answers. Fine. So here comes the answer key. Scrolling down, you can just match your answers and you are supposed to write your marks in the comment box. I hope you all are definitely going to take part in this quiz, and believe me, your participation will help you build up your confidence level much higher. So keep participating and keep learning. Thank you for joining.